Before assembling your stainless steel work table with adjustable undershelf, be sure that all parts, hardware, and quantities are included and also allow ample room in close proximity to where the product will be placed. Make sure to not over-tighten any fittings or use power tools to assemble this product. Start by making sure each bullet foot is fully retracted by turning the foot counterclockwise. This will allow you to level the table once the assembly is completed. Measure from the bottom of the bullet foot up the leg 12 inches and mark the leg with painter's tape. Repeat this step for each leg. This measurement will be a guide to help position the undershelf. With assistance, carefully place the tabletop face down on a smooth, secure surface. Using the provided Allen wrench, ensure all set screws on each gusset are unscrewed far enough to allow the leg to be fully inserted into the gusset. Next, insert the table leg into each gusset. Do not tighten the set screws. With assistance, flip the undershelf face down and slide the undershelf over the table legs while aligning the shelf gussets to the marked legs. Securely hold the shelf in place and tighten all set screws on the shelf gussets with the provided Allen wrench. Hand tighten all set screws on the tabletop gussets and with assistance, flip the table over and set upright. If your work table is not level, adjust the bullet feet clockwise or counterclockwise to the desired height.